Mm. Oh, welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. Today I'm going to do a quick bottle haul video. I'm going to go through them kind of quickly. I'm trying to be on top of it this month. Last month I didn't get out to more than halfway through the month, so let's just get started. As we talk about that, I did give myself a pour from the bottle haul. So if you want, take a guess. Take a guess what I'm drinking now, but make sure to leave that in the comments below. All right, let's get started. A little sip first, I guess. Ooh, yeah. So I have a mixture here. I did go to Kentucky this last month. I picked up a few bottles when I'm out there, so my Kentucky bottle haul will be in here as well. I did get some bottles sent to me from some friends or hand delivered. And I also did get some picks that I picked up from some of the groups I'm involved with. So I'm pretty excited. Lots of stuff going on here. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is one of the things I picked up from my trip to Kentucky. Evan Williams' 12 year. So I got to meet my buddy Wade. We went to have a few drinks together, end up at Neat. And at Neat, I picked up this bottle. So pretty excited. Haven't tried it. Never had it. Didn't even know it existed. So that's going to be one. I was always wanting to do a 12-year kind of blind. So that gave me another reason to do it. All right. Next is Peerless. So we did go to Peerless when we were out there with the group. This one's a little bit special because it's a single barrel double oak. So if you look right there, single barrel. Ooh, come on, focus. All right, there you go. Single barrel double oak. So it's a little bit special in that aspect. Got to try it while I was there. Great pour. The one I really wanted to try was the absinthe one, but they didn't have that one available. So I have yet to try that one yet. Also, while out there, Bardstown. So we went to Bardstown, the one downtown in Louisville. So there we were doing a Green River pick. After we did our pick, the guy was pretty generous, pulled out some bottles for us to try, and this was one of them. I really enjoyed it, so I decided, hey, I'm going to pick up a bottle of that. So that's why I have that one here. Let me see. Also from Bardstown, I tried this when I was at the KBF. They were out of the bottles by the time I tried it. I didn't get to try it, so it's a silver oak. I liked it. It's a little bit pricey for what it is, but I liked it enough that I thought I'd like to have one on my shelf. So definitely did grab one of these. Yep, got the Elijah Craig, the C924. So got that bad boy in. I plan to do a blind with all the Elijah Craigs. I might do it with all the Elijah Craigs and the Larcenys. We'll see. See how we decide to do that one. Plenty of reviews out there for that though. So go check out some of those reviews. There's some good reviews. Evan Williams Master. So we went up to their downtown Louisville. And this is a master blend that's made only for that location. I did try it. It's pretty good. It's a little bit of a mixture. It's a master blend. It's a mixture of a few of their different expressions there, all blended together, and you can only get it there. I think it was like a $40 bottle. It wasn't too expensive, but one that's fun to have, fun to try, fun to share. Next, we have 2 bottles of Redline. Yep, we've talked about Redline before. So when I was at KBF, I really enjoyed these bottles, and I was sad I didn't get any more. Sean happened to be at a tasting and was able to grab some more for me. So this is a bottle that I wanted a second one of, and this is one of the bottles that he got to taste that day. So pretty excited to get these and try them again and have an extra one of this one as well. Also, I got to go out to Still Austin. I had to go out there to pick up a bottle, which would be the next bottle I show. But while I'm out there, I always pick up the Nancy Fraley picks. So these are her picks. I have on this side her bourbon, and on this side I have her rye pick. And these are her picks for November. So always good picks, always good pours. Love them, love them, love them. Now, the reason I was out there is because I was picking up this bad boy. Yep, this is called the Monster Mash. This sells out super, super quickly online. I'm excited I got to get myself a bottle. Sad thing is, I bought a bottle, my wife bought a bottle, and because it was on the same email, they canceled one of them. So instead of having this one on a backup, I only got one. But better one than none, right? We talked to them there. They couldn't do anything about it because it was canceled automatically. Oh, well. All right. Next, I also picked up Evernorth. I love Evernorth stuff. I'm getting lucky enough to get more and more of them. These actually Bourbon Jerk helped me get. So I'm a member. He's just a little bit higher up. So he helped me get these before they sold out. And so I appreciate you. Thank you, Tom, for helping me get these. As I said, I also did get the Larceny. So here's the Larceny C924. So that's a good thing to compare with the Elijah Craig. But I do have the Larceny one as well. Ooh, I missed this one. This is the other Redline that Sean got to taste. And he said it's a banger of a bottle. So he did grab me one of these as well. So I appreciate you, Sean. Oh, while in Bardstown, I've never been able to grab the number 12. So this is Discovery 12 or Disco 12. Pretty cool because at there, they actually have some of them signed. I grabbed a signed version of this. And I hear this one's a bang of a bottle, so I can't wait to try this on live with you guys and share this one with you as well. While also there, I did pick up this. I picked up one of these last time, and what it is, and I actually gave one away as well. So this is Bardstown, and it's their ready-to-go old fashions. So they put them in here. They actually, there's a lot of floaties in this one. I have to make sure that's okay to drink because I don't remember floaties in it before. But they barrel age it. It should be good. I don't see why not. I'm gonna still drink some of this, and oh well, I'll do it when I get back from my trip. And so they barrel age it. So you get a barrel age it for a few months, a minimum of 3 months. And man, such a great pour. So hope this one's good, but we'll see. So I'm gonna bring these two up together. Treaty Oak and the Hirsch. Now these are barrel picks by Barrel Outlaws. Love their picks. They do quite a few picks every year. This is my first year with them, and I mean I probably picked up 6 to 8 bottles from them already. I can't wait to see what they have for next year. But they always have some really good, interesting stuff. I've never tried Treaty Oak before, so I figured why not? It's a 15-year age single barrel at 141.6 proof. And this Hirsch is a number 22 on it. So it's bottle 128 of 220 bottles. And it is 113.2 proof. Hirsch has some good pours, so I'm pretty excited about that one. While over there, I did stop at Michter's, and we did do the Michter's Fill Your Own Barrel. So this is my Fill My Own Barrel. I haven't had it yet. Everybody says this is a hell of a pour all the time. So can't wait to open this up and share it with you guys online or one of my lives. I do want to open this up pretty soon because I really do want to try it. Let's see. All right, let's go. I did make it out to Good Times. Good Times is a fun place. They have some good times there for sure. I did pick up a Good Times Neapolitan cast finish and also the Rick Barrel Company. So the difference is these are finished and they add flavors to them to make them taste differently. There was a banana split one that a lot of our group got. I didn't get it because I wanted to try this one and I knew I was going to get this bottle. Now this one, I was a little disappointed. I popped this one open, a little disappointed with it because I expected to taste more like the Neapolitan because that's what they said. Because everything else tasted so much like the banana split. It tastes like banana split. There's a blueberry that tastes like blueberry. It tastes like that. But I did have pours before I tried this one, so I think this is one of those that I need to try before. So might be what's in my glass today. What do you guys think? Also, I have this Old Rick. So now Old Rick is their bigger stuff. This is a hazmat edition as well, and so can't wait to try that. I haven't popped that one open either yet. So I didn't realize I had more than one hazmat on this haul. All right, let's get into some of the things. So this one I did a trade for. This is Stag. This one's the 24B. I didn't have any of the 24s yet. I did a trade with my buddy Alex. So we did a trade 1-for-1. Glad I have this one. And now, so I can also add it into my infinity bottle. So we can do that as well. Now I also managed to grab Blanton's Green Label. Never had the Green Label before. Grabbed that. This one was one of those I got in auction. That's how they wrap it. I just haven't unwrapped it yet. But I'm kind of curious. I kind of want to do a blind, get multiples of the Blantons and do a blind with them and see really what's the differences. This one is only 40% alcohol, so it's an 80 proofer, so that's pretty low. All right, coming down to some of the last few. And let me take a drink as we're doing that. So while we're out there, we did manage to go to Penelope. We did a Penelope pick. That was a great pick. And it's hashtag new Bromfuls there. If you want to have a chance to be able to pick up. So we did a Green River pick. We did a Penelope pick. You have to be part of new Bromfuls Bourbon. They're online. The best way to get them is on Facebook or on Instagram. Reach out to Danny if you want to sign up and have a chance. They don't charge anything to be in the group, but you have chance of some amazing bottles. And we did a Penelope pick, and we also did, as I said, a Green River. But because we were doing that Penelope pick, they were nice enough to invite us, and we actually got to go to the Penelope event that night before. And that Penelope event is where they had the special Penelope bottles. And this is the State Collections Founders Reserve, and these are their wheat, the single barrel ones. They had, B, D, E, and F. B, D, and F. We got to taste them all. We got to try them all. Great fun pours. It was a great night. It was fun. It was in the museum. It was fun to do. And look at these bottles. They're just beautiful. Whoa, that almost fell out of there. You see that? Look at these bottles. They're beautiful bottles. This sticks out. It's not just printed on. It's actually, you can feel it. There's some to that. some substance to that. And this one is the Founders 108.2, and this one is the F1, I believe. And the F1 was my favorite. Now everybody, there's D, E, and F, so I should say D, E, and F was most people's favorites. I really enjoyed the D and the I enjoyed all three of those amazingly. Like those were all three amazing. The D was really good, but that was the hardest one to get. So if you can ever get the D one, grab that one. That's the hardest one to grab. E and F were very similar. One was just a little bit more forward. The other one was a little bit more like passive, which was the F one. I enjoyed this one a little bit more. I know a lot of our group enjoyed the E one a little bit more. But D and F are all banger bottles. If you can get any of them, definitely do that. This is one I do plan to open up and taste and share with you guys as well. Fun bottle. All right, let me move this over. And don't forget, have you figured out what I'm drinking yet? Make sure to leave the comments below what you think. I mean, I'm through most of it. I have one last thing to show. So more than likely what I am drinking is somewhere on here already. All right, so let's show. Oh wait, before I got two more bottles. That's why I moved them over. These just snuck in November before we started December. So let me show you. These are also some of my friends' picks, and they are Short Barrels Bee's Knees. Can't wait to try each of these. So these are for my friends from Poor Decisions. They have two versions of this. They have a single barrel series, double oak toasted, straight bourbon and honey, and one of them is 110.2 proof. The other one's 109.6 proof. One of them was selected by Whiskey Wisdom, his stickers on there, and the other one was selected by Echoes. So Sean and Matt going head to head here. I know they want me to taste them and tell them which one I like better. I haven't had a chance yet, but pretty soon I think I'm gonna do a blind with it just for fun. So we'll see what happens there. Let's put these out of the way for a second. Let's put one on. Let's just put these over here. Okay, now two last things to show you. One is chocolates, which I haven't opened these. Why does this feel light? Why does this feel light to me? Ooh, okay, it's still closed. I thought my daughters got into this because my daughters love chocolate, and I wouldn't be shocked if they didn't. My mother-in-law got this for me, and so I'm going to move this to the kitchen so we can start opening these and eating them. I'll just wait and kind of show this on here because I knew if I put it in the kitchen, they would get it before I even had a chance. And last but not least, I got something really cool gift from my family. So I had everybody over for Thanksgiving, and we opened up these. We gave each these gifts on Thanksgiving, and so we had these so we can actually do this for the December haul, except mine's gonna be a little bit different. Bam! So this is what I have: a whiskey advent calendar. Yeah, check out this band. This bad boy is heavy. It's got a lot of good pours in it. I'm trying not to look at the back. My kids didn't want me to know what was in it, so in the back it has all the pictures. So I am not looking. But the cool thing about this is, so I was gonna do this for Christmas and do the advent calendar. I decided not to for a few reasons. One, most of this month I'm gone. I'm traveling a lot this month, so I won't be here. So it would be extremely hard for me to actually do this every day and be on day. I would have to do some where I do multiple days and pretend I'm doing it in different days. Some even up to maybe 4 in a day, and that's just a lot. That's a lot to drink. And I don't, as I said, I enjoy drinking, but I don't drink that much. I really don't. And the second reason is so many people are doing advent calendars. I'm enjoying watching them. Let's watch theirs and enjoy theirs for the moment. I like watching theirs. I don't have time to film. Perfect for all of us for that. So what I decided to do instead is, my birthday is in February. So in February, I'm actually going to do this, or the end of January, because 24 days and my birthday's on the 22nd. So I'll start in the end of January and start doing my advent calendar leading up to my birthday, which also happens to be my 3rd year doing videos. So I started on February 22nd, 2022. So this will be my 3rd year doing videos. So perfect time to lead up to it. And that way I have more time to do it as well. All right. So there you go. Here's my bourbon haul. What do you guys think? And also, have you figured out what's in my glass? Let me see. Can I reach my glass here? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. So, have you figured out what is in my glass? Most of these bottles are closed. There's only a few of them are open. So, let me tell you, before I tell you what's in here, go down, pause the video, go down to the comments below and tell me what you think it was. All right. Now, here it is. The winner chicken dinner is Austin, still Austin, Nancy pick, her rye pick for the month of November. Ooh, banger of a bottle. I love it. I love it. Always good picks. So there you go. My whiskey haul for November. Hope you enjoyed it. What bottles do you want me to open? What bottles do you want me to share? what do you want me to review? You let me know, and I'd love to share them all with you. So cheers and happy holidays, everybody.